Hello and welcome. In this video, I will tell you about makeup crayons. And show you how I transform my face using the makeup crayons to create a geometric design which looks like this. Now, let's begin this transformation. You can find Halloween makeup crayons in most any stores around Halloween time, or you can buy them online on Amazon. A multicolored 5-pack costs about $3. This pack has a black, blue, red, yellow, and white. Makeup crayons are non-toxic and harmless to your skin. First, perform a skin test with the makeup crayon on your arm to see if there is an allergic reaction. If there's no reaction after waiting about an hour, then the makeup crayons are safe to use on your face. If you have a skin reaction, do not use the makeup crayons at all on your skin. I will create a design using the white, the black, the red, the yellow, and the blue. This is my art face drawing sketch, which I will paint on my face using the makeup crayons. Again, we're using the colors white, black, red, yellow, and blue. The first thing I'm going to do is take the white and I'm going to map out the design on my face and neck. So I pressed too hard with the black crayon and you can see that it broke 3 times. So you cannot press very hard at all with these crayons, and it does make a mess on your hands. Makeup crayons are easy to blend colors together because they are grease oil-based petroleum. Grease makeup crayons do not dry, so they will smear and smudge and transfer onto your clothes very easily. So you need to set the makeup crayons with a translucent makeup powder to stop them from smearing and smudging and transferring onto your clothes. Grease makeup crayons are great for live theater when you're under hot lights, or if you're going to be outside in the hot sun or at a festival, because when you sweat, the makeup will not run. Makeup crayons are easy to wipe off your skin with a moist paper towel and mild soap and water. So this completes the application of the transformation using makeup crayons. In my honest opinion, I find the makeup crayons to be a little difficult to work with. They will break when you're using them if you press too hard. They are grease-based petroleum, so they smear and they smudge, and they do blend together, but it is difficult for them to cover on your skin. I don't find these easy to work with, but they do work, and I will show you how easily the makeup crayons smudge and smear, and I'll show you how easily it is to take off and remove with a paper towel and soap and water. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to blend the colors. The makeup crayons do not dry, so it's easy to blend the colors and smear them together, but it will come off on your fingers. So if we're going to just blend this in, the only way to get the makeup crayons to not smear and smudge, you need a special makeup translucent powder, which I do not have. So, which you can smudge and smear it and blend the colors together very easily. Now, it will get on your clothes, your hat, and your furniture. Okay, next I'm going to show you how to easily it is to remove the makeup crayons. So I do have a makeup remover towel, which is kind of moist. I'm just going to wipe it off using just moist water. So it comes off pretty easily. Let's do this side. Now again, these are only $3. I think they're good for, I don't think they're good for doing a lot of detail work on your face. Maybe just doing some small designs, but as for doing a lot of full coverage, I mean, that's okay for children to do. They're easy to use using your fingers, just like crayons, but if you press too hard, they'll break in two. So I just removed this with a moist towel. So now I'm going to add some soap in water. So I'm going to wet my rag here, add some soap, nice foam soap, and I'm going to wipe off my neck. Okay, let's see. Let's see how easy this is to come off with the black. I'm doing an honest review of these makeup crayons, which I bought for $3. So just remove all that. Okay, so you can see that the makeup crayons will cover the skin, but they will not dry, so they will smear and smudge, and if you press too hard, they will break. But if you're looking to do a really great job with face painting, I would not buy these, but they are good for doing some simple designs on your face. And again, they come off easily with soap and water. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you decide if you want to use makeup crayons for your next look. And please check out my other face painting tutorials, subscribe to my channel, and click that bell icon for future notifications. And as always, thanks for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out my other video transformations and face painting tutorials on this channel. I do hope you click subscribe and the bell icon to receive a notification of my future videos. As always, thanks for watching.